Hi, my name is Cassandra Clark, and I'm here at Devox, Belgium, and I'm interviewing several Java champions. I'm the Java Champion Program Manager, and I'm here with Martin Thompson. Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you in person finally.
Yeah, you too.
And just wanted to give people out there a little information on the Java Champion Program, you know, who these folks are that are, so important to the ecosystem. So just want to ask you a couple of questions if that's all right.
Sure.
So first off, what do you do for your day job?
What do I do for my day job? These days, I do a bunch of different things. I'm a consultant, so I'm freelance. I mostly try to do all sorts of things that lead me to development because I like to write code. So for my sins, I turn up at places like this and be shy for a while and talk occasionally. Sometimes I get to write code as a result of it, but that's
Right.
generally my goal. Also do training, sort of debugging performance problems, all sorts of interesting things, but anything that can get me to code.
That's that's important to know what you like.
Yeah.
So the second question is, other than being an expert in your field and a luminary, a lot of times the Java champions give back to the Java community, and I'm sure you do some of that yourself. So,
Mhm.
can you share a little bit of how you give back to the community?
I try to do various things. I blogged for a while. I need to get back to blogging. Finding the time for it's kind of tricky. One of the things I like to do as much as I can is write open source and
Okay.
contribute to conferences and do training whenever I can. I think open source is a great thing for our industry. The more we have of it, the more we have real examples. Because one of the real challenges I think we have is that when stuff is done in proprietary and in private, we don't know what good looks like. If you're working and all you ever do is work on a proprietary code base, how do you know if it's as good as it could be? Could it be better? Can you learn from other fields? I
Right.
think our industry has a lot to learn from other disciplines on this. If you're a scientist or an engineer
Mhm.
in other fields, you may work initially in secret, but everything then becomes visible in the end. We
Right.
tend not to see that so much, so we don't see the good working practices. I
Okay.
think open source is a nice way to show how code evolves over time, show what code looks like, what good patterns look like. I think it's a good way to get that out to the community.
Well, thank you so much for all that you do, and enjoy your time at Devox.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cool.